Okay, so here is September week 2, and as you can see, I had a little sketch time because, well, mostly because with my idea, I needed some rather exact measurements, and we all know when I need those. I need to actually count squares. That usually entails a pencil. These are supposed to look like those craft knife X-Acto blade thingers. Because I was trying to think of things that had like a big open space so I could write things in it, and I don't know how I came across craft knives, but I did. So that's what we're doing today. I tried to, and for Saturday and Sunday, I made a little like as if the blade had been snapped off for a new blade, I guess, but I grouped the weekend together. I thought that was actually kind of clever. And then at the bottom for my task managers, I put little scissors in the cut here lines because I figured it was topical. I don't know. I guess I'm in a cutting mood. Anyway, so then, here are the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way down. And the numbers. That last one, because it's Saturday and Sunday, I put both Saturday and Sunday, and then the number so you know which one is which. And here's my hygiene tracker, my tasks upcoming and next week stuff. And now we're just, adding some color. This one was more math related, math involved this week, but it was another pretty basic one. Honestly, all of these are pretty basic. They're just a little time consuming because of the detail. But it's like almost weirdly cathartic, especially when I have to count squares. I really like to count squares and make everything nice and neat and even. It just, I don't know, it looks nice to me. So after I color those in, let's see, I believe next is the drop shadows. Yep, drop shadows. Just really quick, I put drop shadows on the bottom and back edge of everything. Just as a general, I'm looking for something to do, sort of. It looked a little plain, so I wanted to thicken up the edges to kind of make it stand out more, I guess. Because as of right now, the page looked a little plain to me, and I wasn't really feeling it, but I liked where it was going, so I just kept fiddling with it a little bit. And then after that, I add in my quote. And this quote is from Mel Gibson. Right? And no, not Mel Gibson, Mel Brooks. Duh. Tragedy is when I cut my finger. Comedy is when you fall into an open sewer and die. I love that quote. I think that quote's hilarious, and it has to do with cutting your finger. So it's topical for this box cutter craft knife style layout, or at least I thought it was. So that's the quote for the week. And I started to make it more graphic. You can see like graphical, like tragedy is like a nice graphic word, and there's a banner. But then I ran out of space, so I just wrote the last line about comedy being when someone else falls in an open sewer and dies. I just wrote that straight across the bottom because I ran out of space. And then the little paper airplane, and then some more cut here lines because it still looked a bit plain to me. So I was just here, I'm just adding embellishments, highlighting some words, coloring in the little paper airplane I drew, and then I'm adding the page numbers to my index before I go to my brain dump page. And this week I'm calling this page the cutting room floor, which also would be really topical if the movie theme ever comes up, so I may reuse this title for the brain dump page again someday. But yeah. Oh, and also another little cut here line with some scissors. I really think that's cute. I like that. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cutting template, I guess, for my bullet journal layout. If you enjoy bullet journaling and you want to see more of these type of videos, hit that like button so that I know you enjoy them. I'd love it if you could subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you know when my next videos are out. Share if you could, it really helps out the channel. And I will see all of you soon. Bye.